Howdy, this is Just Puzzling. My name is Chris. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Thank you for joining me for this Netflix puzzle, daily hard Sudoku called Flying Bird. I'm going to go through the rules of Sudoku, how I start the puzzle, and then we'll get on to solving it. There are 9 columns, 9 rows, and 9 boxes in a Sudoku. In each of the rows, columns, and boxes, there needs to be the unique number 1 through 9. And that's pretty much the puzzle. It's about finding those intersection points for the numbers in the rows, columns and boxes. So let's make a start. Where's the 5 in this box? Well, the 5 comes across here. The 5 can't be anywhere else, so this is the 5 here. Where's the 5 in this box? I actually don't know, but I can limit it to 2 spots. 5 comes up here, 5 comes down here, and 5 comes across here. So 5 is one of these two. Alright, so now I'm going to ask, where is the 4 in the same box? 4 comes across here, 4 comes across here, so 4 is one of these 3. To start this puzzle, I am not going to put the triples in. The reason for that is I don't want to clog the board up with too many notes. It's hard to see anything when you've got a lot of notes. And secondly, I actually use the pairs to help me solve the puzzle. Hopefully we'll be able to show you that a bit later on. Alright, let's get into the solving. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9 are the 2 here. So 9 comes up here. So this is going to be a 9, leaving this to be a 4. Now remember, I couldn't tell you where the 4 was before, but the 4 comes across here. The 4 comes across here, the 4 comes down here, so now it's a pair, so 4 is one of these two. 3 comes across here, so 3 is here. So this is going to be 1 and 2, because it's 3, 4, 5. No, that's not a 3. I take that back. So 3 comes across here, 3 comes across here. That's a really good start of the puzzle. 3 comes across here, so 3. So the numbers that I need here are 1, 2, and 6. That was why I was a bit confused about why. So 1, 2, and 6, but that's there. So that's poor checking on my behalf. Alright, so 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2 comes across here. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8 comes across here. 8 comes across here. 8 comes up here. So 8 is one of these two. 1's there, 1's there, 7, 7. 7 comes across here, up here, and up here. So 7's one of these two. 5, 5, 5. 5 comes across here. 5 comes across here. 5 comes up here. So 5 is one of these two. 3's there, 3's there, 2, 6, 8, 5, 1, 5, 5, 5, 7, 3, 4, 6 can be there, 9 comes up here, there you go, I was looking for this, 9 comes across here, 9 comes across here, 9 comes across here, so this is a 9 here. So what I now have is I have a 5, 9 pair, so there's no 5 and 9 in any other spot because I'm only doing the pair. So this means that this can't be a 4. So what that means is because I've only done pairs and I'm going to take away one of the 4s, this has to be the 4 here. Alright, so that's good. So 4 then comes down here, 4 comes down here, so 4 is one of these two. 2, a 5, a 9, so I need a 2, a 1, a 2 and a 4. So 4's there, so that makes sense. 1 and a 2 can be there, 1 and 2 can be here, so that's not really happening. 2's there, 9's there, 4, so 7, 3, 3, so 4, 2, 2. 2 comes across here, so 2 is one of these two. 2 comes across here. 2 comes across here, 2 comes down here, so 2 is one of these two. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 can be here. 7 can't be here, 6 can be, as can the 1, okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5 can't be here, 5 can't be here, so 5 comes down here, 5 comes across here, so 5 is one of these two. There's another pair. 8 comes across here, 8 comes down here, so 8 is one of these two. That means that 9 can't be here, So 9 is one of these two. So 9 comes down here and across here. So 9 could be one of these three. So 1 can be here, here, and here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 can be anywhere, and then 7. 7 can be here, here, and here. So 5, 8 there, 5, 8 there. 8 is going to be one of these. 2, 3, 4, 9, 5, 6, 1, 7, 8. 8. Oh, look at that. 8 comes down here. Maybe what I don't see. 8 comes down here. 8 comes across here. So 8 is one of these two. 9, 9, 9, 4, 2, 3, 5. So 5 is one of these. 7, 4, 3. 4 and 3 can't be here. So this can be a 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6 there. 9's there, 9's there. 8, 5, 8. So 8 comes down here and across here. So 8, one of these. 3 can be one of these. And 7. 7 comes across here. 7 comes down here. So 7 is one of these two. 5 and 9. So 7, 5, 9. So 1 is here, here, and here. 2 is, it's actually, 1's not there. 1's here. 2 is here. 3 here, 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 and here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is here, here, and here. Okay. 1's there, 1's there. 1, 4, 4. 4's there, 4's there. 3. Alright. I am leaning towards putting all the notes in. Now this is going to get busy because there's a lot of spare space, but I can't see anything else that's going to help me. So we'll put in our rest of our notes. So 1 is there and the other number's 6. So that's 1. So that's all the numbers there. 1 comes down here. Just remember this is a 5, 9 pair. So 1 comes down here. So 1 is one of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 comes down here. 6 comes up here. Didn't see that. So 6 is one of these two. 7 comes across here. 7 comes down here. So 7's one of these. 8 comes across here. 8 comes down here. Nope, not there. There. So 8 is one of these. And 9 is done. 1 comes up here. So 1 is one of these. 2 is there. 3 is there. 4, 5. 5's already done. 6 can be anywhere. Actually, remember that's a 5, 8 pair, so just remember that. So 6 can be anywhere that's left, and then the other number's 7, which can't be there. So 7's one of these. 1 comes across here and up here, so 1 is one of these. 2 comes across here and up here, so 2 is one of these. 3 comes across here and up here, so 3 is one of these. 4 comes across here and up here, so 4 is here. 5, 6, 6 comes across here, so 6 is one of these. 7, this is interesting, I'm going to have a 6, 7 pair. 7 comes across here, so 7's one of these. 8 is done, and 9 comes across here, so 9 is one of these. So what that means is I have a 6, 7 pair here, so this can't be a 6, 7. Okay, so let's see, 1, 2, 2's here. Sorry, and I should have shown you that 2 comes down here. 3 comes down here, so 3 is one of these. 4 comes down here, so 4 is one of these. 5 comes down here and across here, so 5 is here. 6 can't be here and 6 can't be here, so 6 is one of these. 7 comes across here and 7 comes down here, so 7's one of these. And then there's 9, which comes across here, so 9 can be here, 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 or here. Alright, 3, 3, 3, three's there, three's there. So one comes down here, as does one comes down here, one comes across here. So one is one of these. Two comes down here. So two can be all of these. Three comes down here. So three is these. Four is done. Five comes down here. Oh, five's there. 6, 7, 8. 8 comes across here. 8 comes down here. So 8 is one of these. 6 is there, 6 is there. So 1 comes across here, leaving all of these as a 1. Even more, 2. 3 comes down here, as does the 4. So this will be 3 and 4 here. And there's the 4 there, by the way. 5 comes down here and across here. So 5 is one of these. 6 comes across here. So 6 is one of these. 7's there. 8 comes across here. I've already got 8, and 9 comes across here and down here. So 9 is one of these. So it's getting busy, isn't it? 1 comes across here. 1's one of these. 2 comes across here. 2 is one of these. 3 comes across here and up here. So 3 is one of these. 4 comes across here. 4 comes up here. So 4 is one of these. 5 is done. 6 comes across here. So 6 can potentially be one of these. 7 comes across, 7's already done, 8's done, and 9. 9 comes up here, so 9 potentially is one of these. Alright, so to me that looks pretty busy. Now I'm just going to have a bit of a look to see what I've got. 1, 2, 6, 7, 9. 1, 2, 6. So 9 was wrong, so 9 can't be here, so we'll get rid of that. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. 1, 6, 1, 6, 5, 9, 5, 8. So there's nothing there. 6, 7. 6, 7. So 7, 7. Not helpful. 2, 3, 8. 3, 7, 3, 8, 7. So 6 is there. 1, 5, 1, 2, 6, 7, 1, 2, 6, 7, 1, 6, 5, 9, 1, 8, 1, 6, 5's there, 5's there, 5's there, 5's there, 8, 8, 8, so 8 can be there, 8 can be there, can't be there, so that's alright. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's not great. 4, 3, so 4, 3, 9 is here. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 7, 1, 6, so 5 is there. 5's there and there. 5's there and there, so 5 can't be there, 5 can't be there, 5 is there and there, 5 comes down there, so there's the 3 5's, 1, 1, 4, 2, so 4 is there, which makes sense, I knew that, 1 and 2, 1, no, 1, no, okay, so that's no good. No good there. 6, 7. 7, 7, so 6, 6, so that's not going to happen. 6, 7 there. 6, 7 there. 1, 2. 1, 3, so 9 is all of those. 9's there, there, and there. 9, 4. So 6, 7, so that makes sense. 3, 4, so So 1, 2, 1, 2. So if I said that was a... No, I can't say that because 1, 2 could be there. 1, 2, 6, 7, 1, 2, 6, 7, 2, 5, 8. 8 is one of these two. 8 is one of these three. 8's there. What have I not seen? 1, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 9. 1 is there, 2's there. Doesn't matter. 5, 5. 5. 5's there, 5's there. 5's not there. 3 is there. 3's there. 3 can be there. 5. 5. 5's there. 5's there. 5's there. 9. So I've got 9 there and 9 here. Okay, so I actually do have a rectangle here because 9 can only be here in this row here. 9 can be here and 9 can be here only. In this line here, 9 can be here, 9 can be here. So this has become a rectangle. So what that means is anywhere up the line that's a 9 can't be. So this, because if this is a 9, this has to be a 9, has to be in this column. If this is a 9, this has a 9, this has to be in the column. So therefore, that is why we have those two 9s. So these here can't be a 9, and this can't be a 9. Alright, does that actually help me? So that gives me a 2, 3, 8 triple. So 2 comes out of here, 2 comes out of here, 3 comes out of here, and 8 comes out of here. That leaves me with a 5 here. That means that this can't be, these two can't be a 5 anymore. So 5 comes up here. So this can't be a 5 anymore, meaning this to be a 1. And so 5 comes up here, 5 comes up here, across here, and across here. So this is a 5 here. Okay. So 1, 3, 4, 9. So 1 can't be here anymore, so we'll take out the 1s. That leaves this as a 3. So this can't be a 3 and this can't be a 3 anymore. So 4, 9, 4, 8, 9. So that makes sense. 3 can't be here and here anymore. So 3 comes down here. So these two can't be a 3. That leaves this as a 2. And this can't be a 2 anymore, so 3 is going to be up there. 3 and 8 are here, so 3 and 8 comes out of here, so this is a 7. 3 and 7 come out of here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, so that makes sense. Alright, so 3, 8 there. Now, 3 comes down here. 3 comes down here now. And 3 comes across here, so that's going to be still the same. Okay, so that's all nice. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. So this here is a 4, 8, 9 triple. So this can't be 4, 9. And so that leaves this as a 6, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. But I've only got 1, 1 now. So 1 comes across here. 1 comes across here. 1 comes up here. So this is a 1 here, and this no longer can be a 1. So 1 is here. This is 6, 7 pair now. So 6 and 7 come out of here, leaving a 1, 3, 2. So these two can't be a 1 anymore. So this is going to be an 8 here. This can't be an 8 anymore, so this must be a 5. This can't be a 5, so this must be an 8. This can't be an 8, so it must be a 7. 5, 9 there, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So this has got to be a 6 here, leaving this to be a 3 and an 8 here. This can't be an 8, so this must be a 3 here. And by the way, the reason I said that was an 8, because that was the number I needed in this column. 3 there, 3 there, so 1, 2, 4. 3 comes up here, leaving me with a 1, 2 pair there. 4, 9, 4, 9. 4, 9, 4, 9, 8. 4, 9, 8's there, 8's there, 4, 9, 6, 7. So 3 and 5. 5 comes down here. 5 comes down here. So this is going to be, and 3 comes down here. 3 comes down here, and 3 comes down here. So this is a 3, 5 pair. So this can't be a, oh no, it's not. Wait a minute. 5 comes down here. 5 comes down here. 5 comes across here. So this is a 5 here. 3 comes down here. 3 comes down here. So this is a 3 here. So 6, 7, what have I got? 8 can't be there, so this can't be an 8. 8 comes across here. 8 comes across here. 8 comes up here. So this is an 8 here. And I should have done that with the 4, 9, but I didn't. Alright, so 4, 9 there, 4, 9 there, 5, 8, 1, 6. So something's gone wrong here. This can't be a 5, so it must be a 9. This can't be a 9, so it must be a 5. Okay. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6. So 9 can't be here. 9 comes across here. 9 comes across here. So this is a 9 here. That means that 6 comes across here. So this can't be a 6, leaving this to be a 1, 2 pair. So this can't be a 1, so it must be a 6 here. 6 comes down here. So these can't be a 6 anymore. 2, 7, 6, 2, 7. So 2 is here. So this and this can't be a 2, leaving this as a 6, 7 pair. So this must be a 1, which makes sense because that's a 6 pair, 7 pair there. So this is a 1 here. Should have known that because I've done that whole column. 5 comes down here, so 5 can't be here. 1, 2, 6, 8, 7. So I have too many numbers, and that's the 1. So 1 can't be in this column. So 1 comes out of these 3, so this is a 1 here. 1 can't be here. So this is a 2, 6, 7. So 2 can't be here, so 2's going to be over here. So these can't be a 2. 2 is going to be there. 6, 7, 6, 7. So this can't be a 6, 7. So this is a 2 here. 6 comes out of here. And then I have a 3, 4, 9 there. Okay, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 4, 4, 9. So 2, 6, 8, 7. 1, 2, 4, 9, 6, 7. 5 can't be here. So 2, 4, 6, 7. 9's interesting. 9 comes down here. 9 comes across here. Why do I not think that's a 9 there? That could be a 9, can't it? So 6, 7. So something's wrong. Alright. I think that can be a 9, so I'll put that in for the moment, but it can't be, these can't be a 2. So these can't be a 2. 4, 6, 7, 9. I don't know why I said that that couldn't be a 9. It's a bit of a concern to me. There's too many, may not be too many numbers there. 4, 9. 2, 6. 2, 6, 7, 6, 7. So that's right, because that's a 4, 3, 9. So that's okay. 6 can't be here, so this is a 1, 2. 4, 9. 1, 2, 3. 3 comes across here, so these can't be a 3 here. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. So 4, 9, 4, 9. I can get why it said that wasn't there. 9 is there and there, so that's not going to happen. 9's there, there and there. 1, 2, 6, 7. 6, 7, 3, 4, 2, 8. 8 comes across here. 8 comes across here, down here, and down here. So this is an 8 here. leaving me with 2, 6, 7. So 7 is there, 7's there, 2, 6, 1, 2, 9. So 7, okay. 7 comes across here, 7 comes across here. So this is a 7 here, which means it couldn't be a 9. I just don't know, I can't remember why that couldn't be a 9. But 9 comes across here, so this is going to be a 9 here, leaving this to be a 4 to finish off that column. 4 cannot be in here anymore. 7 can't be here, so this has got to be a 6, leaving this to be a 4. 4 can't be here, so this is going to be a 4 here, leaving me with a 1, 2 pair. 1, 2, 6, 9. 1, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6. So 9 is there, 6 is there, so that's alright. 1, 2, 1, 2, 6, 7. 7 comes up here, so this has got to be a 6, leaving this to be a 7. This can't be a 7, so it must be a 6. Coming across here, these can't be a 6 anymore, so this is going to be a 2, leaving this to be a 7, and this can't be a 7, so it must be a 6. Coming down here, this can't be a 6 anymore, so this must be a 2, and 2 comes out of the 2 comes across here, so this is going to be a 1. 1 comes up here, so this is going to be a 2, leaving this to be a 1 here. 1 can't be here, so this is a 2. 1 comes across here, so this is going to be a 1 here, 6, 9, so that means that this can't be a 6. Alright, so 4, 9, 4, 9, 6, 7, so 6 comes up here, this is going to be a 7, leaving me a 4, 9, 3 there, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 9, 6. 6 comes down here, so this can't be a 6, so it must be a 9, leaving this to be a 6 here. 9 can't be here, so this is a 4, leaving this to be a 9. This is going to be a 4 here. These can't be a 4, so it's a 3, 9 pair. 9 comes up here, so this can't be a 9, leaving this to be a 9 and this to be a 3. 3 can't be here, so this is going to be a 1, leaving this to be a 3. 1 can't be here, so this is going to be a 2, leaving this to be a 1. Alright, 27 minutes to do that puzzle. A little slow, but I'm really happy that I found... So the key to this one was the X-Wing for the 9s. When I had the 9s, figured out that the 9 could be only here or here or here or here. And that's what actually solved the puzzle. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, bye for now.